Good evening, everyone. Welcome to LANREXACADEMY Academy. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing to us how we are going to earn through sharing our unused data bandwidth. So the process is just very simple and everything is just straightforward. So I just need you to just watch this video so you can understand the full process, so that everything will be clear to you. So what you just need to do is just pay attention. And again, before you move further, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification button so you won't miss out anything on this channel, dropping on this channel. And also I will drop the link to my Telegram channel and my community. Just go to the comment section, you see the link there, so you can join it, so you miss out any single update. So let's move straight to the video. So the name of this platform is called Honeygain. It is a very well-known platform that has been paying us back then. So most of us stop this Honeygain because the app is confusing and some features are very hard. So in today's video, I'll be explaining to us every single thing we have to know and how to earn on this particular platform very fast. So the first thing we are going to do, let me first explain this. So this platform now, they have changed some features in their platform. They have changed some features. The end now is very fast now. It's not like before that that sometimes this bee they will stop moving like this. They might stop moving like this for, let me say, 5 days, and this is so discouraging. We have to wait for those bees to come back alive. But now the earnings are very fast and I'll explain the method on which you can maximize your earnings. So just make sure you just watch this video end. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I will drop the link to this Honeygain, because the app itself is not on Play Store, so you just have to get the app through the site. So when you the link will be like this in the comment section. Just go to the comment section, you click on the link like this, so it will direct you to Chrome. After directing to Chrome, so you click on claim your $5. So next thing I'm going to do is that just hold on. So you receive something like this. The coupon code is being applied. That's when you use the link. If you didn't use the link, just go and search it randomly, you will receive this coupon code. So you apply the coupon code automatically. The next thing you are going to do is just to input your email address. Don't use Google to sign in. Just input your email address, then put your password, then click on continue. Then after that, just make sure you confirm your email so that you won't have issue while you are when you want to receive your payment. So you won't have any issue. So the next thing, it will take you to the dashboard like this. So when after signing up, you log into your dashboard like this. So I'll be explaining everything bit by bit. So just pay attention. So now this first part is your achievement. The achievement is when you unlock different levels. As you are earning, you're unlocking different levels. So this place is the achievement. Now next part, we have the Honeygain and the Jump Wallet. Don't worry, I'll go to explain this when we move to the app. So this is where you'll be seeing your payout as the bee is moving, and they are using your unused bandwidth. It will be moving. It's moving. So this way you are going to see your referrals and your honey pot. Make sure you are looking at your honey pot. Just make sure you are targeting these hours. So when the hours is being complete, just come and click on it and claim. Or less, if you need to claim it, it's going to expire. So just make sure you are claiming your honey pot. So and this you are going to see your progress. So as you are completing as you are claiming some achievement, all these things will be increasing. And the more you are this particular your bonus, your money is reading, so you'll be unlocking some achievements. So and you'll be earning more again. So the next thing I want to talk about is this device. Now this Honeygain is a thing that you can connect on different devices and be earning on different devices. So what you are going to do is just that you are going to either send your referral link to that place, and then you just search it on Chrome, or you cannot transfer the app through a sender to that particular app. Then you now log in the same details you used to log in this particular app on that phone. So immediately you log it in, it will show it here on your main account, that device connect. You can connect to up to like see, you can connect up to 10 device per account, 10 device per account. So the more device you connect, the more you be earning. So it's just very simple. Just connect many. You can, if you are with your family, just take your brother, your sister phone, or your mom or your dad phone. Just connect everything. All those unused bandwidth, everything will be recording here and be earning more. So and the earning will be very fast. And also you can also refer, but now this one is not necessary. It's not really necessary. The necessary thing is there is just make sure you have a lot of devices to connect. You can also use one phone. It's not also necessary to connect all many devices for you to earn this, but for you to just earn faster, it's advisable to connect many devices. Like you can see me, this is my phone now. This one is Techno, so I can connect many devices. Everything will be showing here. As I'm connecting it, I'm logging it on those phones. It will be showing here. So that's the way you can use to earn faster, very fast. And the earnings now is not like before that it's very slow. It's much faster now. It's a way much faster now. It's not like before it will just be reading just small. It's way more faster now. So let's up on this. So and again, okay, this is the only port. This is the only part I'm talking about. So whenever you see this green thing, that means it's active. It's active. If this thing is showing, okay, I will explain some when you get to the app. So now this is where I'm going to download the app. You just download the app. So that's where I'm going to continue the remaining. You can see one device actively sharing. If you have two devices, you show two devices actively sharing. So let's move to the app. So this is the app. Go like this. Let me enter the app. This is the app. So let us log it. So if you are seeing something like, make sure this thing, as far as it's showing sharing here, that everything is working fine. If it's showing not connected, or this thing is not showing green, that means just make sure you just refresh your internet. Just make sure. And again, whenever I want to log in the app, they'll ask you to toggle on some things like make it run background, something like that. Make sure you want everything to be on the safer side. Just toggle everything so everything can be earning in the background. It's not that only when you enter the app that's when you be earning. Everything will earn in the background. So just make sure you toggle those things on. So just make sure. And again, let me explain the next thing. So yeah, we have two methods for you to receive your payment. Number one is the Honeygain wallet. This Honeygain wallet, as you are earning, you receive your reward directly from Honeygain. But Honeygain also, they have partnership with JumpTask. Some of us here are going to know JumpTask. So for you to may I advise you to actually just focus on this Honeygain wallet, because this JumpTask, that if I just switch you to JumpTask now, can you see it? As I'm earning like this, my reward, I'll receive my reward from JumpTask, and this JumpTask they are paying in JMPT currently. But that coin, there's an update. They say that they want to change this thing. I will explain after this. I will explain about JumpTask also. So from here, you can as you are earning is this particular JumpTask, you are going to claim this reward, but directly from Honeygain. If you are earning like this, you are going to claim your reward directly from Honeygain, and these are going to switch it. If you want to switch to Honeygain, you put it like this, and if you want to switch to JumpTask, you put it like this. They will tell you that you are now earning in JumpTask, but I advise you that you should use this Honeygain. Just focus on this app. Just focus on Honeygain. Don't go and be using JumpTask to just confuse it. But if you say you are working on JumpTask, you are a type that is actively working on JumpTask. So you just come here. Now I'll explain some things about this JumpTask. You just come here. You go to JumpTask dashboard. Go to JumpTask dashboard. Now for those doing JumpTask also, I'll explain some things to you. JumpTask have changed a lot of things, and again they are changing their payments methods. So this JumpTask is a type of platform that offers different ways for you to earn. You can partake in social media tax. They also survey here. You can do survey also here. You can just watch and earn different tasks. But the reason why I stopped this JumpTask was that they are paying less, and their coin also was very low. Was very low. That coin, the price of the coin has gone down seriously. So that's the reason why I actually stopped. But now they are making progress in changing their payment method. They are not using this JMPT. So that's why I will advise you to move back into the JumpTask. Yeah, I think before this month end, let's check it. Okay, this is the major update. Let's see it. So JumpTask moves to 1,000 credits per. Can you see that? Change their payout system. Now they want to include PayPal, bank transfer, PayPal card, crypto, and a lot of things. So this one will be rolling out August 10. So that's the update now on JumpTask. So you can perform surveys. JumpTask is not restricting you from not using VPN. There are even some tags that will tell you that you want VPN to access it. So you can use your VPN to access survey and other IP tags. So this is also an additional to the Honeygain. So there are a lot of tasks here you can perform. A lot of tasks here you can perform. So just come here and perform the tasks. Social media tasks, a lot of tasks, and watch and play games, different tasks. So now let's move back to Honeygain. Now hope you understand now. If you want to earn through Honeygain, you are going to switch it to this place. But if you want to earn through JumpTask, they should pay you directly from JumpTask. You just come and be earning here, and make sure you connect it. Just click on JumpTask dashboard. So everything as you are earning here, it will be they will pay you through your JumpTask. But me advise you should just focus on this JumpTask. Focus on it. Make sure is on Honeygain like this. If you want to focus on Honeygain, they'll be giving you +5 and some things also, additional things you'll be getting. So that's just it about this update. It's just very simple. If you are enjoying my content and we are seeing a lot of benefit from this piece, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So this is the only way you can support this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end, and please don't forget to share this video to those that need it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.